Hi and welcome to this SugarCRM tutorial from enable.services. In our previous tutorial, we talked about how the Sweet Spot search feature allows you to search for almost anything within a Sugar instance, but it can go even further. You can also set up hotkeys for frequent searches. To do this, click on the small cog icon in the top right of the search box and you'll be brought to the Sweet Spot configuration panel. Here, you can choose a Sweet Spot action and a hotkey to link it to. For example, let's say that you create new tasks on a regular basis. You can set the action to create task and the hotkey to a number or a word. You can press the plus symbol to add as many hotkeys as you wish, and the minus key to remove any from the list. Once saved, you can bring up the Sweet Spot search and type in your hotkey for fast access to your action. You can even change the theme of the feature, independent from the rest of your system, to make it stand out. Simply go to the theme option, pick a theme, and hit save. Not bad, huh? If this tutorial helped you, please consider liking and subscribing for more in the future. And for more information on how SugarCRM can help your business, check out our website at enable.services.